What I like most about being a lineman is just being able to see the work that I do every single day. I know a lot of people have jobs where they just plug away at something. They never really see the outcome, but what I'm doing, I get to see it immediately right after we build a structure. My name is Justin Wilfong. I'm a 5th step lineman apprentice in my 3rd year, and my home local is Local 44 out of Butte, Montana. The reason why I joined is I was going to college, and then it was COVID. COVID happened, and I was doing just crazy amounts of online work and hated it, and I ended up finishing my 3rd year of college and wanted to get a job over the summer, and I ended up building cell towers. And once I started doing that over the summer, I realized that I enjoyed doing work with my hands rather than whatever else I was going to do, but I still wanted to continue my education, so I just did a lot of research on how I could get an education within a trade where I could do some type of construction like that. So that's kind of how I landed on the apprenticeship.